Everybody say cinema. Alright. Okay, now I need a volunteer. So, can I have one girl and one boy to read the dialogue in front?
Let's have Kuchapat. Later I'm gonna call you. And for the girls, let's have Kanupan. Okay. So now let's pretend that Kuchapat is the boy in the dialogue and Kanupan is the girl in the dialogue. So they are going to read the dialogue loud. Are you ready? Let's do it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Next, let's proceed.
Hello. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
Very good.
I'm good too. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. What are you going to do at the market?
Very good.
I'm going to buy some fruit and strawberries
And
and vegetables.
very good.
I see. How about you? Where are you going? I'm going to the cinema. I see. Again, see you later.
Alright.
I see. Alright. See you later.
Very good. Clap your hands for Kanupan and Kuchapat. Alright. Now, okay, just one is enough, okay? Now let's try to have a game, okay? We're gonna play some game so that everybody can